Hey guys, Past Matt here. I'm here with Mr. Trini X Productions. Here at my first railroad show, actually.
Yeah, you stole my freaking camera, that's why, but you know what?
Shut up.
It's your first train show, so I
It's my
figured-
first train show ever, and thought I'd do like a quick little video about it, so...
Quick, man, record all you want. Should we get the Final Master starter set for HO?
Yeah.
Because that's how Kato is. You get like a whole bunch of starter sets.
Got all types of goodies here. I think I know what I'm getting later on.
It's a mystery.
Oh, focus.
Yeah. It's an old Dash 8, dude. I was thinking about getting a private car from Amtrak.
You should.
Yeah, man. Considering.
No, focus on it!
T-shirts and hats. Look at this one. Look at this, my wife is coming.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, here you go.
I'm just gonna like kind of separate them up.
There you go. So this is what I use. This is Kato. But so those are all like HO kind of, so now you got some N-scale hazards. Here's some N-scale right here.
I'm loving it here already. We're not even a quarter of the way through it yet.
Right.
We're not even like,
Start.
we haven't even started yet and I'm already in heaven.
Yeah.
See you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I caught my first 3 heritage units.
That's what we tell the kids.
Woohoo! That'd be funny if this actually caught it. Oh yeah, look at that. Take me home, 295.
You want to get out? Okay.
Yeah, I caught my first heritage units. Woohoo!
Is it gonna go all the way around?
Looks like it's going to the yard. is your ETs there?
What?
What's the company that made ETs?
They look like Kato.
They couldn't be Kato. I never had issues. The only thing I've had issues is
It's a licensing thing, Bob. It's a license.
yeah, but also Vodka has license for Amtrak, and so it is Amtrak, so they technically have a license for that too. It's just.
This is really cool. This is my first time ever being here. I actually have never been to a train show. Hey guys, Past Matt here. So, just want to give a massive shout out to Mr. Triniax Productions. Thank you so much
You're welcome.
for bringing me to my first ever real show.
You're welcome.
So, with that being said, I'm definitely going to be coming back tomorrow. If you guys are in the area, be sure to swing on by Dallas Expo. I'll be there. Mr. Triniax Productions might, keyword, might be there. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next video.